Hello guys, welcome to my channel Information Hub. Today I am giving you information about the Savitribai Phule Pune University first year engineering syllabus. And guys, subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon and like, share, comment in the chat box. Please share this. Then in table you have to be giving the subject code, theory and practicals marks weightage. And this is very important for your writing knowledge and paper solving knowledge. And go for the instructor. Guys, this slide is not important for us. This regulate the rules only and information give you one to this is then guidelines is also not important for our knowledge. That is only the purpose of consultancy, and that is not important for our knowledge. Then guys, move for the next slide. It is also not important for our knowledge. Engineering mathematics. So guys, first subject engineering mathematics. It's contain the term work 25 marks, in semester 70 marks, in semester 30 marks, and that it's contain the 6 units. It's so as a differentiation. Then engineering physics subject. Practicals 25 marks, in semester 70 marks, in semester 30 marks. And it also contains the 6 units like laser and optic fiber, quantum mechanics, semiconductor physics, so on. Then go for the moving and superconductivity, nano, non-destructive testing and nanotechnology. It also contains. Then laboratory experiments. Laboratory experiments. It's the same for the all units, and it is the must be done itself. Then system in mechanical engineering. It's contain the practical 25 marks in semester, 70 marks in semester, 30 marks, and it is same for the all marks, and it's contain the 6 units like introduction of manufacturing, so on. And reference books and textbooks are given below. You have to taken the screenshots, and after the video you have to seen that. Then term works and labs, it also same as the previous subject. Then basic electrical engineering, it also contain the marks as the same as the previous subjects, and it's contain the 6 units like electromagnetism unit first. Then single phase AC circuit, then polyphase AC circuits, single phase transformer, like so on. Then the lab term, term work is of 25 marks, and it is so important. Programming and problem solving, it also contain the previous marks subjects. The in semester practicals, it's also same, and it contain the 6 units like function and modules, object oriented programming, file handlings and destructions. And textbooks and reference books are here in the given below. Then term work is also same as the previous subjects are given below, and it is same for the all subjects. Then uh, term work is a things that we have to be complete, must be done after itself and time. Then go for the credits. Workshop practice, it's a practical 25 marks and examination scheme. Its tracing scheme is a 2 marks. In drafting machine is one of the most popular workshop project. Popular project on workshop, milling machines and so on. The introduction of its contain the unit 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 units are the contain. There is a environmental study first subject. Is a 6 unit content. In environmental study, we have to be also the grade, not the marks. Then engineering chemistry, practical 25 marks, in semester 70 marks, in semester 30 marks, and it contains the 6 units like water technology, international methods, engineering materials, fuels, spectrochemicals technologies, and corrosion science, and it contains the 6 units. Then go for the basic electronic engineering. Basic electronic engineering is also contain the same marks process as like that previous subject. These course objectives. Then go for the next slide. In it is also contain the 6 units as like that. So it is a very simple process to be an laboratory method. Laboratory method is the same for the all subject. There is a manual. Manual is a we have to complete the manual as respect to dates and times. Then guidelines for the laboratory conductions and term work. Term work is a considerable. Then engineering mechanics. It's also same marks contains. Therefore, it also contains the 6 units and go on. Laboratory codes. Laboratory codes it is contain the lab manual. A lab manual we have to be taken from our college. Group A, Group B, Group C, and again engineering graphics. Engineering graphics is the subject. It contains the marks as like that previous subject, and it is a fundamental subject. It contains the 6 units of that, means 2 units in semester and 4 units in end semester. Then course laboratory and conductions, it is also important for the manuals as respect to pressures. Next course objective, it is also same for the our knowledge. Therefore engineering study second, it is a continuing part of engineering study first. Engineering study second, it also contain the 6 units and it has a grade, no mark system. Thank you guys for watching this video. Please like and subscribe the information hub and give me the feedback for this video. Thank you guys.